So how would I go about helping a parent who was adamant about not vaccinating their child for fears about autism? So I think the first thing I would provide them with is information about autism and how they have found that it does not correlate with vaccinations. And looking at the chapter about autism, they've done different studies in several different countries, and up until now they haven't found discernible patterns. So there's no correlation with getting vaccinated and ended up having autism. And also because it's pretty much believed that if you have ASD, it's present at birth. And so vaccinations don't come until after birth. And so, I mean, I would have to figure out how to put this, but unfortunately, if your child has autism, he has it when he's born, or she. And so I think that would be one of the most difficult things to tell them. But getting regular checkups and making sure that everything is going the right way and everybody is healthy is the best thing for them to do, is to stay on track with prenatal care. But yeah, those are some of the things that I would try to provide them with and provide them a little bit of comfort. But for sure, finding some research so I can give them some concrete material that they can, take home and look over or discuss with their partner, and let them know that it's probably more likely that they can get some kind of disease from not having the vaccinations. And I think just recently there's been a few where kids have actually passed away from getting something because they weren't vaccinated. So I'm not trying to scare them, but those are pretty that's pretty important information there, and it's concrete information. So that's a few things I would do.